Hey, hey, hey! The pensioners are out again. So we're going for a train ride. That's the train that came in, and the passengers are just getting off.
We're gonna board at 12 o'clock apparently. So instead of standing here online like under the rain,
Yeah.
we will come back at 12 o'clock.
So join us during our train ride
It's another adventure.
by the pensioners, of course.
Yes.
So see you later. Yeah, this is the one. I think this is sold out. So the seats are almost taken in the first class. Looks like we are waiting for some people yet before departing.
There, perfect. Did you order a lunch? Yes. It'll be coming. We'll get it for you shortly.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard Waterloo Central Railway 12 o'clock departure from Waterloo and the Farmers Market, heading northbound now all the way to the end of the line in Elmira. Now I do have to go over a couple of our COVID policies. I'm sure we've all heard them before, but this is also something we've all agreed to when we bought our tickets. We did click I accept to all these terms. So first of all, everyone is vaccinated on the train. Second of all, in my coach class here, you guys need to keep your masks on at all times. There'll be no eating or drinking on board the train here. Now, if you have any questions at all, more than welcome to ask any one of our onboard crew. We'll be more than happy to help. And sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
This is huge land for the Mennonites.
Leaving the village of St. Jacob, going through the beautiful Mennonite countryside between here and Elmira. Again, sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. If you have any questions, let us know. But we are arriving in Elmira in about 20 or so minutes.
Apparently these are all the Mennonites farms. Huge. So Mennonites are all just farming here. They have big, vast of lands. This is so green, and I wonder what kind of plants are they, or oh, it's like I don't know what it is. What are these? Beautiful land of the Mennonites. It's apparently a winter wheat, and it survives during the winter time.
They take before you get your all-purpose flour in, because it's a little harder. It's mostly for bread and that kind of thing. It's a little harder.
And you can see those are corn, and they are already like brown and ready to harvest. More corn. Corn, like a lot of corn. So green. These are winter wheat.
This area of the line is actually the only part of our line that I've ever seen some deer. Now, it does not happen very often, so I make no promises. However, at least 4 to 5 times a year, I do see some deer around this area galloping through the field. So that means you have to be really lucky to be looking out the window at the right time to see them. So just keep your eyes peeled as we come pull into Elmira. Now, Elmira is home to, of course, the Elmira Maple Surf Festival, the biggest surf festival in Canada. We're right here at home in Elmira. Now, we do run our shuttle services as long as the festival goes ahead in person in 2022. We will run our shuttle services from the Waterloo Ion stop at Northfield Drive. Again, that's a crosswalk away from the Ion stop. We have a little asphalt platform there. We're picking you up at the Farmers Market where we have ample parking and an express all the way into Elmira, of course beating all that traffic. And if you're looking to go to the Elmira Maple Surf Festival in 2022, as long as you go ahead in person, come on board and ride the train. We'll get you there without the stress and headache of driving. Given tour, you're now going to let me know as I walk through the cars. Again, a reminder, the country farm.
There's an igloo I can see at the far.
Now, right after, you're going to see the mill race. Now, not the Waterloo River, that's the big river, but the little mill race, the little creek right here. Now, this was built back in the 1800s for the St. Jacobs Mill. Of course, it had a water wheel. Now, on the other side, you'll see our various equipment sitting back and forth. The magic of welding. Another baggage cart, a couple of our volunteers sitting there saying hi for you guys there. As we roll through the shop. And if you take a close look, you might even be able to see number 9, our steam locomotive sitting in the shop. But again, that will take some close looking as it's on the far bay. Now, number 9 will not be running in 2021, however, she'll be up and running for 2022. Now, if you live in the Waterloo region, you might even get lucky. We do have to do some test runs with number 9 this year. Now, those will not be publicly advertised. But if you're in the right place at the right time, you might get the opportunity to see number 9 run in St. Jacobs Village, originally as a blacksmith shop. Of course, that blacksmith started selling his tools to the trade, and he found out pretty quickly it was a lot easier to sell a tool rather than do the work. So he started becoming the local hardware store, and of course, the rest is history. It slowly expanded, selling more and more tools, until the home hardware we know and love today.
Dito palang home base ng Home Hardware. This is the home base of Home Hardware in Waterloo.
Hardware back in the good old days until the 90s actually got served by the railway.
Kaya pala, dito pala yung kanilang lumber ng yard ng Home Hardware.
Notice they have a small barn where they keep 2 horses, a brown one and a black one. And of course a little field for those horses to run around in. And maybe the brown one is out in the field today. Let's take a look. Old order Mennonite, you might be wondering what that is. Well, an old order Mennonite is a Mennonite that lives very closely to their original traditions. As an example, they generally do not have electricity going to their house. They get around by horse and buggy, their own 2 feet, or maybe a bicycle. Oh. And of course they go to church every Sunday morning. Oh. And if they're going to drive a internal combustion vehicle, they are allowed. However, it must be a fully black car. Every rules they must follow if they're going to drive one of those. So again, fully black car. Now these Mennonites may not have electricity going to their house, but they definitely have it going to their barn. If you notice, some of them that don't have it hooked up to their house will have it going to their barn, and it doesn't specifically tell them they can't, like it does their house. So they kind of get away with it, sneak around the rule, and some of them have the fanciest tools in their barn. Some of the highest tech computer technology available in the entire worldwide is inside some of these Mennonite shops, with no electricity going to their house.
Whoa.
Now a new order Mennonite lives way more modernly. They are much more ingrained in our society. They kind of go by their own set of rules. Again, they take a lot of inspiration from that old order Mennonite culture. However, they've learned to modernize, and these new order Mennonites can really vary. You might still have some that like the horse and buggy, but you might have one that's driving a Toyota Camry, a red one. It really is a huge spectrum for these new order Mennonites. A lot of them just own the businesses in the towns in Elmira or the village, or of course are busy at the market. So as we go down, see if you to yourself you can point them out and tell the difference. Now that means we're also getting close to the end of our ride today. We have about 10 more minutes till the farmer's market. Thank you guys very much for coming, and have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. So we're just getting off from the train, and now we are heading to St. Jacobs Farmers Market. It was a nice 90-minute ride, seeing the countryside and the Mennonite village. We're now here at the farmers market in St. Jacobs, and let's go and see what's inside. Okay, we're just walking around and see what's inside. Oh, laki ng ano. Ito yung farmers, vegetables nila. Big eggplant. Huge.
Sweet one?
This sweet one, only these are sweet.
So you
The
can
rest
just eat
are
it.
hot.
You can just eat it.
Yeah,
And they're sweet.
yeah. That's 5, that's 10.
So
Yeah, we will try that sweet pepper here.
Thank you.
how much are these?
$20.
Really? These are Leo's favorite.
Okay.
Hello?
Susi na sa kay mo.
Oh, okay. This one? Oh. Are these sugar?
Yes, pure maple.
Oh, pure maple sugar?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I make it all by myself. And we do the
You
syrup.
do?
Yeah, we do the syrup on our farm. So
Wow.
I make the spread for your tools.
The maple syrup. This one, are they made here?
Yes.
Product of Canada.
Oh, we did like 10 minutes.
Oh.
Yes.
This one you make.
No, like there's 5 in here. So if you buy the box
galing sa kanila. So,
Hmm?
dapat
There's
sa
5.
kanila. That's one, sir. And this one. And I need a sugar. Let me see this one.
Hindi na, yun.
Huh?
Hindi na.
How much are they?
45.
45.
Okay, we're going to try this colossal onions. These are all onions.
Are they all onions?
Yes. John Burings.
No, I don't want onions.
They're all onions. You know,
No,
I
I
know.
don't want it. I know it is, but
they're all onions. We're going up to the second floor of the St. Jacobs Market. We're going to see. Oh, these are dry goods. These are dry goods. Oh, one way. Okay guys, it's time to head back home after this whole day adventure. The pensioners had enjoyed again a whole day adventure riding in a vintage train with a taste of luxury, coats back in the day, enjoying the countryside scenery and the beautiful farming landscape, and knowing more about the Mennonites community. Our visit to St. Jacobs Market, which is by the way open all year round, reminded us of our younger days where we went to the market to buy fresh produce from the farm to the table. After watching this video, please don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for our future vlogs. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.